Ether Skytrix is the first metric system with working exchange token ESKT, and I will tell you that how you can make a number of money with the help of Ether Skytrix in this video. Welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. In this video we are going to elaborate each and everything regarding ESKT. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding crypto. First of all, basically Ether Skytrix is 100% decentralized, so your all funds will be in your hands. And you have three major paths for making, you can say, the passive income on Ether Skytrix. The first one is spillovers, the second one is overflows, and the third and the last one is referrals. Spillovers, in summary, this usually comes from your upline or the person who registered when he has excess registrations. The system rewards you for being a downline of an hard-working upline. If your upline is lazy, it won't come fast. The second one is overflows. This usually comes from the Ether Skytrix smart contract system. This pays you with or without referrals. And the third and not the last one, but you can say it is also the part, the referrals. If you have many friends, then you can use the simple method of your own referrals and you will make number of money on Ether Skytrix. This involves registering people under you with your affiliate link. The higher you grow, the more you make profit, because we have different level which ranges from level 1 to 7. I will tell you all the levels in which how you can make money. Here you can see all the major steps. Basically Ether Skytrix is a win-win situation for anyone joining the platform. If you want to join without referring and wait for overflows and spillover, you can join and wait, but do not complain if it doesn't come fast. However, if you are good with networking, team network, and you can say referring or talking to people, you would make a lot of cool cash in form of Ethereum from this platform coupled with Ether Skytrix exchange token. Here you can read all the major steps. First of all, you have to sign up on this platform. It is very easy. Okay, first of all, for example, if you want to sign up, here comes the main page where you can easily sign up on this platform. And here also you can see one thing that is entirely important, their Telegram group and also the Discord channel, where you can talk with the team at any time and they are going to answer each and every question of yours. First of all, you have to sign up on this platform and then you have to submit. Basically, you have to deposit 0.05 Ethereum. And then basically after that, basically you will get your own referral link, and with the help of your referral link you are going to make your own team. For example, if you are going to sign up with 0.05 Ethereum, then here comes the referrals where you can use your own referrals, and the next thing is basically receiving commission on every sign up. Whenever you are going to refer anyone or you have the team, then definitely whenever anyone is going to sign up on your referral link, then definitely you are going to get 0.10 Ethereum. I will elaborate this thing like this. First of all, I will tell you the whole downline system. First of all, here comes the starter. First of all, you have to sign up and then you have to deposit 0.05 Ethereum. Then you have to refer basically at least two people. Then basically the Ether Skytrix will give you 0.1 Ethereum. Then it means that basically 0.05 Ethereum will be your profit. Then for example, your basically the downlines, it means the people you refer, if they are going to refer anyone, then definitely you are going to get 0.3 Ethereum, 0.8, 4.8 and up to 25.6 and even 102 Ethereum and 384 Ethereum. So it is such a great thing and very easy. Here comes all the levels. You must have to read all the levels because it is very easy for you. For example, if you are not going to refer anyone, then how you can make money on this platform? That is entirely interesting. For example, as I basically told you the three basic things, the spillovers, overflows. So what are the basically the spillovers and overflows? For example, if you are going to sign up and you are not going to refer anyone, but any type of, for example, you will be referred by someone, and if he or she referred someone, then definitely you are going to get some more Ethereum. That is such a great thing regarding this platform. So as per my point of view, you must have to start the work on this platform, and here comes and the entire platform, all the things, the basic things, that the starting you have to deposit 0.05 Ethereum, then you have to refer at least 2 people, then you will get 0.1 Ethereum. And on the first level here you can see the first one, the starter, and the second one is basically the one level. On one level you will get up to 0.3 Ethereum, then you will get up to 0.8, then 4.8, 25 Ethereum, 102.4 Ethereum, then 384 Ethereum. Already the Etherskytrix, the whole platform already gave to multiple people up to 528 Ethereum. They already basically distributed to all the team members who are working on this platform. So that is such a great thing. And as I tell you, if you have any type of questions, you can directly ask the team, because the team is available for you 24/7. Here you can see it by yourself, and number of people are basically working on this, and they are making number of cash every day with the help of Etherskytrix. So what is basically, I will tell you the main thing. What is basically Etherskytrix? It is a metric system backed by a token exchange and staking. Why is Etherskytrix is better? Every upgrade you receive token valued at $1 each, and right now they are going to make their own exchange. It is basically under development, and the major currency on which they are working is basically Ethereum. And the main thing, what is the need to participate in the project? Only and only 0.05 Ethereum and Team Spirit. Team Spirit, because the thing is this: if you are going to refer anyone, you are going to make multiple money, so much money on this platform. And the thing is this, and if the project collapses, will I lose money? Project will last forever. And as I told you that basically it is 100% decentralized, so you have the chance to basically all the funds will be in your hands. So that is such a great thing regarding the Etherskytrix platform. And as I told you, basically ESKT is basically a native token, and it is also a fuel currency of this platform. So definitely it will work, and you are going to make number of money if you are going to use it. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.